Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. So how are you guys today? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's occasion, I would like to make another recap of our CCNP. I mean our Cisco configuration. And now we will demonstrate on how we make a channel using eSATAP, and it is using an IPv4 and IPv6. So we are combining both of them into one network. Well, first thing first, we will set up the network because I haven't add the uh, IPs on the interface yet. So first thing first, we must set up the interfaces and then add IPs, and then also add a dynamic routing protocol. Okay, after this I'll go to RIP to network 12.12.12.0. Now for this one also it will be 002, then 00, interface 00, turn it on, then add an IP of 12.12.12.2, 0, and then the other side on the second router add an IP of 23, 1, sorry, 1, 0. Now router RIP version 2, the network will be 12.0 and then 0. No auto summary. Okay, wait, okay, auto summary. Router 3, and then add an IP of 23.2, 0, and then router RIP version 2, router will be this. Okay, now auto summary, and now we will actually wait for them to build agencies or able to ping to each other, because actually works. As you can see here, we have successfully implemented RIP and the IPs. And now what we want to do is make the tunnels. It's actually pretty simple. Just make this tunnel, interface tunnel 0, or in this example. And now what we will do is we will implement eSATAP, right? First thing first, we will actually add the IPv6, and in here I want to use IPv6 with EUI 64. So I'll be doing it like this: 64 and EUI 64. So you can see here, and then adding the tunnel source. The tunnel source will be 12.12.12.1 because it is the interface of the router 1, and then the tunnel mode will be IPv6 IP eSATAP. Okay, as you can see here, we have the eSATAP, and then what we need to do now is go to the other thing, the other router, or the third router, and then also add the tunnel 0, and then add the IPv6 address with also the same thing, that is EUI 64, and then set up the tunnel source, that is 2 tunnel source, source 23 2, and then the tunnel mode will be IPv6 IP eSATAP. Okay, as you can see here, we have made them, and it has changed to interface tunnel 0 up. And now if we want to try to ping, we can actually it's actually pretty simple. We just need to do show IPv6 interface brief, and then as you can see here, it has the IP of the first router on the tunnel. You can just copy it, and then paste it somewhere because I'm using EVNG here. You can just paste it somewhere here maybe, and then go to the third router and then type DUP, then type in the IP address of the first router that is linking with the third router by tunnel iSetup. If we try to do this one, is it correct? Okay, it's correct. And if it, okay, my bad. That is actually some mistake that we have made. If we see here, my bad. There are some typos that I made. It's not it's not C0C semicolon C01. It's C01. If we try enter it, it will be successful. Or in other words, we just implemented the IPv6 IP iSetup tunnel in this network that is combining IPv4 and IPv6 together using the iSetup method. So yeah, that's pretty much all for the iSetup IPv6 tunnel. I do apologize if I made any mistakes, and I hope this can be helpful for both of us. Dan saya, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.